Welcome. I'm Morgan Day Cecil, creator of the Feminine Wholeness Method. And this guided meditation is designed to help you soften and relax into your own feminine energy. And let's begin just by being here in this sweet silence together. And the way I've learned to connect most authentically and quickly with my feminine energy is through the natural rhythms of my breath. So as we begin just settling in, allow your breath to naturally guide you deeper. Just follow your inhale and exhale, release. Sigh everything out and notice the settling in with every exhale, your body becoming willing to relax a little more with every sigh. And just one big inhale and exhale, releasing breath together. And now bring your focus to your body, feeling your back body as it connects to the ground, your yoga mat, your bed, your couch. Just bring your awareness to your back body. Notice if there is anywhere in your body holding tension. And just begin to soften the tension there by breathing nice and slow and deep into those places. Bringing softness to your body, awareness to your low back, breathing into these places, softening the edges of your inhale and exhale with your awareness on your low back. And bringing awareness to your neck, your shoulders, softening the edges of your inhale and exhale. And just with your loving attention, invite your neck and shoulders to release any tension they may be holding. Your whole body relaxes deeper. Now bring your awareness to your jaw and notice if there is any tension you may be unconsciously holding in your jaw. And you can open up your mouth just a little bit. And as you soften the inhale and exhale, invite your jaw to release and relax a little more. Now just notice if there's anywhere in your body, your limbs, your arms, your fingers, your hands holding on to tension. And bring your awareness there, a soft, compassionate awareness. And your breath, breathing nice and slow and deep with your attention focused on these parts of your body that have been longing for your attention. And when we soften the breath, just softening the edges around the inhale and exhale, what that can feel like is just lingering a little bit longer on the top of your inhale, And then lingering a little bit longer at the bottom of your exhale. No rush. No rush. For the next several minutes or so, I invite you to deeply rest and allow your consciousness to simply be guided toward a greater sense of your own feminine energy. All you gotta do is allow yourself to be here now and effortlessly follow the sound of my voice. And my intention is that the sound of my voice will allow you to go deeper within, to relax, and so you can meet your inner Sophia, divine guide of your feminine energy. Let's begin. I invite you now to bring a gentle smile to the outer edges of your lips, and allowing this gentle smile to be a subtle but clear clue to your nervous system that it is safe and good for you to relax and soften into your natural, ever-present feminine energy. And notice if anything shifts with this soft and gentle smile. I invite you now to bring a quality of sensuousness to your breath. A sensual quality to your breath looks like inviting the pleasure in, like you are drinking the most delicious drink, savoring the breath as it enters into your body. Feel the beauty available to you, the sensuousness of your breath, the smile, inviting the breath to travel through you like a searchlight, searching out any places of darkness or tension, and just meeting you there, bringing the light of the fresh breath in to the dark places within, and softening around the awareness that you are safe. All is well. This is exactly what you should be doing right now. This gift of rest and restoration serving you mind, body, and spirit, and allowing you to enter back into the world with greater presence, to be able to be of service to those you love in a way of ease. No need to force or prove. You just get to be. So giving yourself this time now to reconnect to your softness. Reconnect to your ease. Reconnect to your breath. And if or when the mind wanders, just smile sweetly. This is what the mind does. It's okay. Just come back to how good it feels to breathe deeply with this sensuous breath that invites in pleasure, that welcomes the breath to travel through you and bring its light and love to the places that are parched and needing it. It's as simple as this. this practice of your own awareness and attention, and the power you have to allow the breath to do what the breath does so well, which is to relax the body and return you to your inner softness and presence, your own natural feminine energy. In this journey that you're on, in this meditation, is a journey you can take with you to every part of your day. It's a journey that repeats itself in every moment, inviting you to remember the ease available to you. The journey of remembering your feminine energy isn't some far away resource you have to clamor and strive and work really hard to achieve. No. Your feminine energy is right here with you, is always with you now. And with practice, you'll learn it's as easy as slowing down, bringing a simple, gentle smile to your face, and allowing your whole being to receive rest, to receive the pleasure of simply being and breathing deeply. And maybe you notice how sweet it is, this texture you feel in what you're wearing, or the softness of the blankets around you, with the sound of your own steady heartbeat. Welcome in a sensuous experience of any kind. That sweetness is yours and will guide you to your feminine energy. Allowing pleasure, simple pleasures, allowing ease, appreciating the things that delight you, the simple things that delight you, like rest, like breath, like the secret smile resting on your face now that is all for you, just for you in this moment. A smile you can give your whole body, a relationship that you share with your body, your being, and a relationship that will grow in beauty and intimacy and trust the more you return to this practice of reconnecting to your softness and ease, your feminine energy. In just a moment, we'll close this 15-minute meditation, but I invite you to continue delighting in this space for as long as you like. This is your space, your time. And it's a pleasure to create and share this meditation with you. Thank you so much for subscribing and letting me know in the comments below if more meditations like these would serve you. I hope you move into the next part of your day with so much delight, reconnected now to the beauty of your feminine energy. Grace and peace, and I'll see you soon.